Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two amazing cameras, the Canon EOS R7 and the Fujifilm X-S20. We'll take a closer look at their features, performance, and everything you need to know before making a decision. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Now let's get started. When it comes to price, the Canon EOS R7 is priced at $1,899, while the Fujifilm X-S20 is available at $1,299. Both cameras offer excellent value for their respective price points, but if budget is a concern, the X-S20 provides a more affordable option without compromising on quality and performance. In terms of image quality, both cameras excel. The Canon EOS R7 boasts a 32.5-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and the Digic X image processor, delivering sharp photos and ultra-high-definition videos. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-S20 features a 26.1-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor paired with the X Processor 5, ensuring stunning images straight out of the camera with Fujifilm's acclaimed color science. When it comes to lens compatibility, both cameras offer versatility. The Canon EOS R7 is compatible with EFS, EF, RF, and the new RF-S mounts, ensuring full-range lens capability. Meanwhile, the Fujifilm X-S20 provides access to a wide range of Fujinon X-mount lenses, allowing photographers to explore different creative possibilities. In terms of performance, both cameras offer impressive features. The Canon EOS R7 boasts high-speed continuous shooting with mechanical shutter speeds of up to 15 FPS, making it perfect for capturing fast-paced action. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-S20 offers up to 20 FPS in electronic shutter mode, allowing photographers to capture the perfect moment with ease. When it comes to image stabilization, both cameras shine. The Canon EOS R7 is built with 5-axis image stabilization, offering 7 stops of shake correction for steady shots in any situation. Similarly, the Fujifilm X-S20 features improved in-body image stabilization IBIS, with up to 7 stops of compensation, ensuring sharp and blur-free images even in low-light conditions. If you're into videography, both cameras have something to offer. The Canon EOS R7 supports high-quality video recording, allowing you to capture ultra-high-definition videos. Meanwhile, the Fujifilm X-S20 is perfect for video creation, featuring a new vlog mode for professional quality footage and the ability to record 4K 60p video with ease. And that brings us to the end of our comparison between the Canon EOS R7 and the Fujifilm X-S20. Both cameras have their own strengths, and it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this video helped you in making an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.